こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Kanji video number 21 of Jlpt N4. We're gonna learn 5 new kanjis of verbs. This kanji symbolizes to stop, and we pronounce to or shi. The stroke order is very easy. At first, this red line from here going straight down, this is in the middle, and now this black one, this is quite short like this, and now the third one is this blue line about the same height from here going down, and now the last one, this green line, this is the longest from left to right. Someone stops or something stops. Something が止まる. This is intransitive verb. And its transitive pair, someone を or something を止める. I stop something or I stop someone. If you want to study more detail about transitive verbs and intransitive verbs, then you can watch my grammar video of Jlpt N4 from number 25 till number 33. It means I've got already 9 videos about transitive and intransitive verbs. The dead end, 行き止まり. Here we pronounce instead of to, do 行き止まり. 行き comes 行きます to go. 止まります to stop. The dead end, road closure or street closure. 通行止め. This is like a road closed sign. This road is closed to traffic. この道路は通行止めになっています。この道路は通行止めになっています。この道路は通行止めです。この道路は通行止めです。To make a brief stop. 一時停止します。一時停止します。Without this verb します then only 一時停止. This is noun. 一時停止 it means brief pause. This is also the stop sign at the traffic. The verb to prohibit 禁止します and without します and then this is the noun, the prohibition 禁止. This kanji symbolizes to walk or step, to count the steps when we walk, like 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. Then we use this kanji. 1歩、2歩、3歩、4歩、5歩、6歩、7歩、8歩、9歩、10歩. The verb to walk. 歩きます。歩きます。Now the stroke order. And if you see these two, you know this kanji that we just learned, this is the same as this part. So you must write here. Then now we begin this red one. So this red one, it's not all together. So this is separate line. Actually, this part, this is 少し, a little bit. So it means to stop little bit. This is to walk. So this red line, one not so long, and jump. Then you come here, this black line going like this, and now this blue one. And this blue one, it's shorter. You see, this is shorter. And this finishes above than this line. Because you must begin this green one, the last one, and this is quite long. Long. But you must be careful. You don't finish this one here more outside than this one. So it's inside. Okay? 10,000 steps. 1万歩. Here we pronounce po, papi pupe po. When we pronounce the sound of po, P-O, then this is 3歩、6歩、8歩、10歩. And also, when the last sound is like this, 1万歩 or 3000歩. The exception is number 4, 4. The sound is N, 4, but we don't say 4歩, but we say 4歩. I walked 10,000 steps yesterday. 昨日1万歩歩きました。昨日1万歩も歩いたよ。Sidewalk, pavement, 歩道。So this is 歩きます and 道 the street. Crosswalk, zebra crossing, 横断歩道。横断歩道。Overpass, a footbridge, 歩道橋。Here, this kanji 橋 we pronounce 橋, but this is 橋 bridge. To go for a walk, 散歩します。I take a walk in the park. 公園を散歩します。公園を散歩します。Here, we use the particle を公園を散歩します。Then you can watch my grammar video number 31 of Jlpt N4. Then you will know the reason. To evolve forward, to make progress, to become advanced. 進歩します。Medical science is getting advanced more and more quickly. 医学はどんどん進歩しています。医学はどんどん進歩しています。Increasingly, more and more, quickly, steadily, どんどん。This kanji is 走ります to run, and 音読み is so. The stroke order, at first, this part, this is 土 the soil を土曜日 Saturday. One, this red line, and in the center, this black one, 2. And now this blue line, this is longer than this red one, 3. Now here, the green line, from here, going down in the center. And now this red one, this one, and black line, this one going outside. And now this blue one, long and like this shun. To run as fast as possible. 力走します。力, this is kanji of 力. It's like ka from katakana, but this is 力. This means strength. So run, but with all of your strength. So it means to run as fast as possible. 力走します。Runner, 走者. As you see, this first kanji, 走ります to run. And the second kanji, 者, this mono, 者, this means person. So the person who runs. This kanji means to get up. But you can see that this one, 走ります to run, and this part is the same. So it means after writing this part, then we just add this one. At first, this green one, 1 going inside, then from left to right, this red one, 2, and now this black one, 3, like this, and jump in the end. We pronounce O from 起きる、起こす、起こる, and 音読み、き。First, this one, someone が起きる. Someone gets up. This is intransitive verb. Now the transitive. I wake someone up, or I make someone get up. Someone を起こす. Early riser, or early bird. 早起き, 早起き. Literally, this is the person very early. She gets up. 起きます. To open up a business, or to start a business. 起業します. Entrepreneur. This is the person who starts his own business. 起業家. to boot up, to activate, or to start something like a machine. 起動します。This computer, it takes a long time to start up. このコンピューターは起動するまで時間がかかります。このコンピューターは起動するまで時間がかかります。This kanjis is like 持ちます。to hold something. Or I've got something を持っています。And its 音読み is じ。The stroke order. At first, this left part. One, this red one going up. And now the second one, this black one. Not in the center, not in the middle. A little bit to the right. Two and jump. And now this blue one from here going chun like this. And this part is called tehen. Tehen, something to do with the hand. Tehen. Now the right part. This is actually tera. Otera, it means temple. And so it's very easy to write. Here, the first part is tsuchi, the soil. It's like doyobi. So it's easy. 1, 2 in the center, and 3, this black one. And now 4, this one. And this green line, this is not in the center. You must go here to the right part, going down and jump. And the last part is from here, going like this. Rich person, お金持ち. お金, this is money. So the person who has got 持ちます, who has got money. お金持ち. A person with great strength. Powerful. 力. 力持ち. Feelings. Sensations. Mood. 気持ち. 気持ち. Proprietor. The owner. 持ち主。持ち主. Belongings. 持ち物。持ち物. There's one other word. The meaning is the same. Belongings. 所持品。所持品. You can always use this word 持ち物. But if you hear this word 所持品, what's this? Then you cannot, 所持品, this is the same as 持ち物. But the only difference is 所持品 is the way to say very formal. So formal. 所持品. To give support. Support. 支持します。支持します。Chronic disease or chronic illness. 持病. Because 病気, this is disease. The disease that I've got. So this is chronic disease. 持病. Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese using that kanji that you know. 1番目. A red car is parked in front of my house. 2番目. My grandpa is early bird. 3番目. 最後です。When children go to school, they must walk on this narrow sidewalk. You are learning more and more kanjis little by little, right? If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that's gonna be a great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日もまた新しい漢字を5つ勉強しました。今回はいろいろな動詞の漢字でした。もうだいぶたくさんの漢字を覚えてきましたね。そして新しい漢字を1つ覚えると、それに加えていろいろな熟語を勉強しますから、だいぶ語彙も増えてきてると思います。私のチャンネルではこのように皆さんの日本語が少しずつ上達していくように頑張っています。ですから私のビデオをずっとこのように順番を追って見ていくと、知らない間に 本当に日本語が上手になりますよ。本気で日本語が上手になりたいなと思っているなら、絶対に見逃さないで私のビデオ全部見てください。チャンネル登録して、そしてベルマークもオンにしておけば、私が新しい動画を出すたびにちゃんとお知らせが届きますよ。この動画が良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンも忘れないでお願いいたします。私の励みになります。そしてぜひお願いがあります。私のチャンネルをお友達に紹介してください。そのようにしてたくさんの方々に見てもらえたらとても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあね、またね。